Happy Venice. Happy birthday. Happy Venice. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Ate Venice. Love you, Ate Venice. Pananan, love you, Ate Venice.
Drop it.
One, two.
Where's the lasagna?
Okay, you move it there. Come on. Yeah, no. Oh, it's okay. Sing na.
Ogibo.
Go sing. Happy birthday to you, Panangan. Happy birthday to you, Panangan.
Happy
birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Ate
Panangan.
Panangan.
You wish. And then blow.
A lot, one only.
What?
Go.
15. Go. One time. Wow.
Yay! Happy birthday, Ate!
Love you.
What's your wish, sir, for Ate?
You kiss ate na.
I don't know.
You're friends, right?
Love you.
Love you.
Hi, Marcos. This is the Panangan. Panangan of Ate Venice.
Okay.
Panangan.
So strawberry.
So it's 15 candles. For the 15.
Soon it's gonna be
Ate.
16.
The 15 ng Ate. They're old now.
So my classmates said.
Yes. Looks yummy.
You remove all this one.
We haven't tasted this one yet.
Yeah.
I guess this is tastes like strawberry.
No, I don't think so.
You don't think so?
Yeah.
Maybe
Maybe caramel.
Hurry up! It's already 1 minute.
Oh, Panangan.
Marcos, this is the Panangan again. Panangan.
Use it for sunscreen. Sunscreen. I'm going
Get one
Patapart.
strawberry. Yeah.
Yes.
There's a line kasi. Yeah.
That's big.
Oh, Panangan. Okay. What? Put it up.
Where's the
I
plate?
don't have plate. This one, use this one.
Ah, yeah. Ate said, kabayan said, gusto niyo po ng plate? Ilan po? 10? Sabi niya, very generous. Shout out kay ate sa Yellow
Ito sa
Cup.
yellow.
Yellow Cup. Wow, ice cream cake from Cold Stone. Oh, it's a red velvet.
Mana?
Oh.
Hindi ka nakakain? Sarap.
It tastes like chocolate. I think it tastes like strawberry. Oh, that's too hard to guess.
So it's a strawberry.
I thought it's chocolate.
Enjoy.
Her favorite, you see?
Yeah.
That's the gift because she's a strawberry girl. Why is it putting it here? Happy siya.
Ano may hit ka, Vincent?
Saan ang gift mo? With Totoro? Totoro!
Ay, siya nga lang.
Totoro! Sarap. From Margarita.
Why is galing?
What?
So, his eyes are open.
She need to throw us no eyes. The eyes, it's close.
Yes. Enjoy.